What if my team is stupid? Some people they consider to give up because they heard multiple times mockery. They say you won't be made it. Your boys, your team is stupid. But don't give up. Your team is not stupid. It will help you become successful. Your goal, your passion. Your goal is help you become successful. To keep believing in yourself, fight for it no matter what you say. Stop expectation to pursue your dream. Start believing in your dream, your passion, your goal. Those goals help you become successful. When they told you to stop, but don't stop. Start believing in yourself. Your dream will help you become successful. You keep believing in yourself, fight for it, no matter what you say, you will be success. You must follow your heart, your desire, your path. Stop asking, what if my team is stupid? Your team is not stupid. It will help you become successful, goal, and passion. If you keep believing in yourself, you will be successful if you start believing in yourself. Stop asking, what if my team is stupid? Your team is not stupid at all. You must follow your path, your goal, your destination. Stop give up. Start never giving up. Those help you achieve everything your way. If you keep believing in yourself, your passion, your goal, no matter what you say, you will be successful. Doesn't matter what you achieve in life, it's about what you become, a better person you today. It will help you to become successful. Now, stop asking what if your team is stupid. Start believing in yourself. No more what if. Start today.